Okay people, I'm gonna show you how to set up Neovim in fastest way possible, and just see. I'm gonna choose MiniMax over LazyVim, of course. There are many reasons, but you can explore yourself. But I find having more commands over whatever plugins I'm gonna use. So basically I have more freedom over here. So anyways, if you're looking to set up your Neovim config using this MiniMax, this video is for you. You are free to do whatever you want, like LazyVim, MiniMax, your choice. I'm doing it for MiniMax because I use MiniMax. Okay, so very first thing, you have to come to the GitHub repo over here, and then you have to clone this repo. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna just remove it. It's older one, but let's update. Yeah, when you clone this repo, when you go inside it, you'll have so many files, but this script you can see, Lua script setup.lua, you have to run it, and there you go, your config is copied or your config is set. So if I check now, you can see everything over here, and it's very much 0.12 native, so you don't have to download any other package manager or stuff. It's very much native, so I like it as well. And now let's update if there has been any changes in the packages which we have, conform, friendly, this, that. To update it, you have to use this API, and then you save it. As soon as you save it, it downloads or it applies all the updates and changes. Okay, now if you press space ed, it will open the file manager, and then you go to plugins, and here in the plugins.lua file, you will have to do few changes because it's already set. You can read it. I told you it's like just a Neovim simple. It's not a distribution, it's a configuration, but you will be very much free to do whatever you want. It's not like you have to be dependent on some principle like LazyVim does. Okay, so I'm going to set it for C language because that's what I code in. Okay, so yeah, C, and then over here I would say I don't use this formatter, so I don't need it, but you can choose this, like you can do it. Conform is already installed, very popular one. And then I would like to have Mason, just in case. You can install it, or you can just uncomment it. And also if you want some other color scheme or any other plugin, you can just put it over here or somewhere in the because there are so many files over here. For Mini we have separate files, for options we have key maps, we have separate, you can watch all the key maps. And in Mini you'll be having all Mini related configuration, all the packages inside Mini. And then plugins.lua is where you define your own custom stuff, but you're free to do whatever you want. It's just a modularization. You can change it, no problem. But I'm done with it. I don't need anything else. I'm very much simple when it comes to Neovim config. I don't do a lot of stuff, but yeah, this was it. One more thing I would love to do is the server part. So here if you see, it's the 0.12 or 0.12 feature or API. You don't need anything else. vim.lsp.enable, and then it enables the language server, or you can just do over here or I guess it's something like that, lsp enable, and then the server name, like that. But I want it permanent, so I would just put it over here. That's it, I'm set. Okay, let's see if I have CLang or not. Of course I have, but I'm checking it. Yeah, So if you have it in your system, you don't have to install it in Mason. Okay, so it can read it automatically. But in case I downloaded Mason in, when I need something else and I don't want it individual in system, I can put it in the Neovim repo. But anyways, that's enough. Let's see let's see how does it work, like how do you feel when you code using this configuration. So let me create, or let me show you how do I create files here. So there's one plugin. Okay, so here let's say hello.c, and then you press equal and then y, your file is created, L to go into it, and then include stdioh, int main, return 0, and then I would say okay, clang. Let's compile this thing. That's it. So this is the only thing you have to do, and you are good to go. If you have any other languages as well, you can just chat GPT it and you can set it up for it. That's it. Nothing else. Don't waste your time. This was the easiest configuration you can do. And thanks for whoever the creator is. I can't pronounce his name, but he's a Russian guy. Love him. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video, if you are watching it.